This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. It is November 1st, so we are on launch day. The brand new Sanctuary collection just went live on madamglam.com, and let's get into all the magic. So the Sanctuary collection consists of 8 gels. Are We Lost? No Maps, Keep Moving, Everglades, Gray Sky, Follow Me, Sunset in Florida, and Road Trip. They gave the most stunning write-up, so I'm just going to quickly read this for you. It's also 5 bottle opacity, so it is very opaque. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, Madam Glam says, Thanksgiving is almost here, and we say, let the games begin. And after the last oven timer goes off, we want to arrive at the table looking fabulous, right down to our fingertips. Discover Sanctuary Collection, a new colorful palette for a festive feeling. Our next destination is wherever home is. We are traveling in the style, and with our hearts full of joy and thanks to rediscover and all fall in love again with the cities where we grew up, the culture, traditions, memories. Uncover the new arrivals and spoil your fingertips with the prettiest fall shades of dark greens, mustard yellows, browns, and deep blues. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula. Luckily, cooking the biggest meal of the year is no longer a sacrifice. It says it's no longer a surefire recipe for ruining your manicure. Just do your nails before the kitchen marathons begin and play with the new colors. You'll get up to 4 weeks of non-stop color and shine. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. So I'm just going to go through the colors that I have selected, and we're going to get into all the swatching magic. So I have to swatch for you Road Trip, Sunset in Florida, Follow Me, and No Maps. So first off is Road Trip. Now this color is the most stunning midnight blue. Oh my days, I am not going to be complete until I do a night sky with this stunning color. Now though this looks light, I assure you this is a deep blue. But for the mermaid in you, it will have you splish splashing. I sure know for Thanksgiving, I am grateful for this stunning blue. Now Thanksgiving already passed in Canada, but it has not passed in America. And they are really doing it up with these gorgeous fall palettes. Where's the pumpkin pie at? I need a big turkey with this gorgeous feast of colors. So next up we have Follow Me, which is a gorgeous mauve. This color is so delectable, and again, I can smell the Thanksgiving feast from here. Now, during Thanksgiving, we talk about what we're grateful for, and I am more than grateful for this beautiful community, for my sisters, my brothers, and of course for lovely Madam Glam. You guys make my day always. Thank you so much for sending out these luscious colors. Now, next up, we have No Maps, which is a stunning burnt orange. This has given me all the pumpkin spice vibes. And last but not least, we have Sunset in Florida, which is a fire engine red. This is the fire brick that you need. These colors, again, are the most stunning fall palette. So make sure these collections generally sell out very quick. So if there's any colors that speak to your heart out of the ones I've swatched or the pictures I showed earlier, make sure you head over to madamglam.com and get yourself these fabulous fall favorites. Now this is a brand new collection that has just launched today. And you can feel free to use the codes in the description box below. Now that is RAVENSNAILBAR 30, Mama 30, or Priya 30 for 30% off. Now I am just quickly wiping these gorgeous phalanges down so that I do not have any, first of all, tacky layer, but also no pigment on there, so we do not contaminate our no wipe top coat. Now whether you do these babies matte or glossy, you are gonna fall in love with these fall favorites. Now I do apologize, everything seemed to be covered in Jessie's hair. I did the cleaning and vacuuming, but when you have a golden, I swear it just lives in the air. But nothing could interfere with this gorgeous, gorgeous shine. I am madly in love with this collection. And on the thumb, I ombre'd No Maps and Sunset in Florida. Now I was so excited to get these colors out to y'all, so I just wanted to first do this beautiful swatching video, and stay tuned, there is gonna be a gorgeous festive look with these beautiful colors. Madam Glam, thank you so much for not only allowing me to be a part of your beautiful team, but for sending out these gorgeous colors. They truly touched my heart. I would love to know, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, what are you guys thankful for? More than anything, I'm thankful for my beautiful family and friends. I don't know where I would be without them today. So I'd love to hear what you're thankful for. I hope everybody has the most beautiful day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. I hope this video found you so safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Mwah. I love ya. See you soon, Charm Squad.